Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my essential rewards order, which is basically, if you don't know what that is, it is my like monthly wellness box where I order products, oils, supplements, just like all of the things to support our non-toxic lifestyle. So I get all of this stuff through Young Living. I know a lot of you guys that follow me on here are also Young Living members. It's kind of like having a Costco membership when you're a member with Young Living, and you basically just get a discount and you can order lots of amazing stuff. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my November order. So let's see, what should I start with? I'm actually going to start with some supplements. So this is Matt and I's like combined order. He's also a member and he does his own order, but I just show you everything that we get, you know, every month, so you guys can see. So some of the supplements that he picked up, the first one is Amino-Wise. He buys this I think almost every month or every other month, and it is basically like BCAAs, but it's like a really clean version of them. He used to use like all the different kinds of supplements that he would get at GNC, and I was always like, but I like totally trust Young Living. They are some of like the cleanest and just like most well-researched supplements that I've seen, just as far as what they actually put in them, as far as like vitamins and minerals and nutrition and stuff like that. So I really like totally love all of the supplements that they have. And then he also got Power Jais. This is, it says for enhanced physical performance, sustains energy, boosts stamina, and increases strength. So he takes this daily. It's like more like to support like fitness, so because he goes to the gym like crazy. So those two are for Matt. And then I got a bottle of Life 9, which is the probiotic from Young Living. I take one every single day. Gut health is so important, you guys. And then I also picked up, this is new to me, Sulfur Zine. This is a powder. It also comes in capsule form, but it is like a really amazing supplement for hair, skin, and nails. So it has, not only does it have Ningxia wolfberry, which is like a goji berry, super high in antioxidants. We drink the Ningxia red like juice concentrate. It's not a concentrate, but we drink that every single day. It's amazing. But it also has MSM in it, which if you Google it, it's pretty actually interesting stuff. So I figured I would try and start taking this after the baby is here, because I know I'm going to be losing my like postpartum hair loss is a very real thing. So I figured maybe this would be good to kind of help support that and maybe it not be so bad. I don't know, we'll see, but regardless, people rave about this supplement, so I kind of just wanted to try it just in general. And then we also got a box of Angstrom Nitro. Again, this is mainly for Matt. It is, so Ningxia is that red, Ningxia red. So Ningxia is that wolfberry drink that I was talking about. So Nitro is basically like little kind of, it's like the same idea as like 5 Hour Energy essentially, except it's like much cleaner, and it's just like a much higher quality supplement. So he takes this kind of as like a pre-workout before he goes to the gym. He likes to drink the Amino-Wise, I think after, when he gets home, or maybe right before, I don't know, I have to ask him. But then he always drinks these like on the way to the gym as like a little boost before he goes in, which makes my heart so happy because it's so much better than the pre-workout stuff he used to use. And that is actually good for his body and has tons of antioxidants, which is pretty awesome. And then also speaking of Matt, he got a bottle of the 3-in-1s Men Wash. It's from the Shutran line, which is the men's line that Young Living has. It smells so good. And he's just been kind of ordering these the past couple months just to like get a back stock. And so he'll be good to go for a little while. And then also we got a big bag of the Pure Protein Complete. It looks like they changed their packaging. So we are big fans of the Young Living protein powder. The ingredients are really good as far as protein powders go. It also has like a really good mix of protein sources. Not only does it have whey, but it also has pea protein, egg white protein, hemp seed protein, and also goat whey protein. So it has a really good mix. It does not upset your stomach at all. I like the chocolate one. I also really like the vanilla spice one. But I have it like sometimes, and I also put it like if I'm baking, a lot of times I'll add it in because the vanilla spice is just so good. But he makes a shake literally every single day and he uses this and he loves this stuff. So we order a lot of it. Okay, and then some other fun products that I got. I'm so excited to try these. So these are little shower steamers. So this one is Citrus Fresh. You can literally smell these through the bag. They're so strong. They smell so amazing. So this one is Easy Breeze, which I'm pretty sure is eucalyptus and peppermint oil. And then Citrus Fresh is a blend that you can purchase, like an oil blend. It has lemon, grapefruit, orange, tangerine, maybe one other citrus in there, and spearmint. I'm sure it says it on here. And it's so heavenly. It's like so uplifting. I love, love, love that blend. It also just has like such a clean scent to it. So I really, really wanted to try these, and they're just like little discs that you put in the bottom of your shower. Because I don't really take baths. I love baths, but our bathtub is just like a shower stall bathtub. It's like really small. It's just like not comfortable to be in there. Like, it's actually less comfortable. It's like uncomfortable to crunch up in that bathtub. If I had a big luxurious bathtub, I'm sure I would take a lot more baths, but I don't. So I just really don't do that. So bath bombs are just like kind of irrelevant to me, although I would love to use them. But so I'm really excited to try these because I think that they'll just be really kind of awesome. So super, super pumped. Okay, so more products that I picked up. Thieves Dentrum Ultra toothpaste. I get one of these every single month. We don't go through it every month, but I just leave it on my ER order just so that we never run out, because we love this toothpaste. And that's like the beauty of ER, or Essential Rewards. It's basically like an online shopping cart that you just edit. So like if there's something that like if you go through a bottle of lavender every single month, you can just leave it on there, and that way every month you're not like, okay, I need to make sure I order lavender. Like you just leave it on, and you never delete it off, and they'll just ship you a new one every month. But it's like totally, you can change it. My order usually is completely different month to month, but it's not like you're not like locked into buying like the same stuff. Like it's not like you pick your order and that's what you get. No, you can change it completely, which is awesome. It makes sense. Okay, and then I also picked up, this is the last Seedlings product, I think. I've been buying them. Seedlings is the baby line from Young Living, and it's completely non-toxic, and it has like the most dreamy blend of essential oils in here. It seriously smells so good, and they're all the same. Oh, it smells so good. So this is the Diaper Rash Cream. Every month for the past, I don't know, few months, I've just been ordering one of the Seedlings products, and this is probably my last ER order before baby girl arrives. There's a chance if she's like super late, I might have one more ER order. But now I have all of the Seedling stuff, so I'm super, super excited. We are all stocked and ready to go, because most of the products out there, I mean conventional products in general, but like especially the baby products, that breaks my heart the most, because there is some crap in there, guys. Like not only just fragrance, which is in almost all baby products, which is horrible, but so many scary ingredients, and it's just so crazy that we put those scary ingredients on these teeny tiny little vulnerable bodies. Like, it just makes me so sad. You have to be really careful, do your research. It's one of the reasons why I love Young Living, because I trust everything that they have. They're like so committed to being safe and non-toxic. So speaking of safe and non-toxic, also got some of the Savvy Minerals makeup. So I picked up 2 of the foundations. So this one is Warm number 1, and it's pretty light. And then this one is Warm number 2, which is more of like my skin color. So how I use these, I use this as like a mineral foundation, and I actually love it. I was always a liquid foundation girl forever, literally ever. I never liked mineral foundation until I tried this. I actually really like it. But then I have the lighter one too, because I like to set my under eyes with it, because I still do use a concealer. I don't use this as my concealer because I'm just a very full coverage kind of girl, and I just love the concealer that I use. It's by Hint Beauty, and it's also non-toxic, but I like to use this powder to set. It's super light. I just dip my beauty blender in there and set the whole under eye area, and it does not budge, it does not crease, it's not heavy. It's awesome. Another makeup product that I got that I'm so excited about, I don't know why, I just don't know why it took me so long to order this, but this is one of their lip glosses. They have so many lip glosses, all different kinds of, you know, shades, from like super nude and neutral to like really bright fun ones. So this is the color Embrace. So this is like their pretty much like nude pink gloss, which is, I'm all about like a nude lip for the most part. So I'm so excited. And what's cool about these is I'm actually wearing it right now. And it's like really light and not like anything crazy, which I love, but it's still gorgeous on. but actually all of their glosses have peppermint oil in it, so it's kind of like a natural plumping effect. And a lot of people actually add extra peppermint to it, which I think, like peppermint oil, which I think I'm gonna do because I love like a minty gloss, and it has like a little hint, but I think I want a little more, so I'm probably gonna add some. But yeah, I'm so excited to have this now. We also got a case of Zing. So Zing is Young Living's kind of like their energy drink. And it's like a sparkling, like carbonated energy drink, but has great ingredients. It's like super clean, and it also has that Ningxia again in it, so it's like it has tons of antioxidants, which is awesome. Matt drinks this on like a very regular basis. Most days of the week he has one in the afternoon as like a pick-me-up. And then I feel like once the baby is here, so many people talk about making Zing bombs, which is Zing, one of these guys, a nitro, and then I think just Ningxia, like a shot of Ningxia maybe. And people swear by that as like an amazing afternoon pick-me-up. This has a teeny bit of caffeine in it, but not like a whole lot, at least I don't think. And I feel like that will be great to just give me a little life when I'm exhausted with a newborn. Okay, now moving on to oils. So I got 9 oils this month and literally only paid for 1, which is amazing. All the other ones, all 8 other oils were totally free, which is insane. So I'll start with the one that I purchased myself. That is Surrender. This was more of like a product supplement heavy month. A lot of times I order a lot of oils, but it just kind of depends on like what I need and what I'm running low on, etc. But anyway, so I got the oil Surrender. I love this blend. I am running low on the one that I have, and I plan on using this during labor and birth because it's such a calming blend for me, and it's just one of my favorites. And yeah, so I needed it, and I was afraid that the amount I had left just wasn't going to cut it for delivery, so I ordered another bottle of that. And then I got a bunch of other oils, all of which were free. So we got 2 Nutmeg Vitalities for free, which is awesome. So you can diffuse this, but also since it's Vitality, I could use this like in baking, which is pretty awesome. Just like a drop will give you so much nutmeg flavor, but also just for diffusing this time of year around the holidays, like it's great. And then we also got a Peppermint Vitality for free. This is because Matt has now been on ER for at least 3 months. So at 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, Young Living sends you a free oil, which is pretty awesome, like of like months of consecutive ordering. So we got that for free, which is awesome because I love peppermint and we use it a ton. We also got a bottle for free of Northern Lights Black Spruce. I love this oil. It has such a gorgeous like woodsy, kind of like that manly, almost like cologne-y scent, but it's like plants, not like perfume. Oh my god, it's just so good. And it's also just good for this time of year because it has that really like woodsy kind of almost like a Christmas tree scent, but it's a lot more like mild and smooth, I would describe it. But it's just like, it's so, I don't know. I love this oil. I'm so glad I got it for free because I diffuse this. It's good to diffuse any time of day, but especially I diffuse this almost every single night when I go to bed. Okay, and then I also got this giant bottle of Christmas Spirit. I am so excited about this. Ever since I've been a member and been ordering Young Living stuff, they've never had the big bottles. They've only ever had the little 5 ml Christmas Spirits, and I would order like literally a million because I go through them like crazy this time of year. But I'm so excited to have like the Big Daddy. It's like it gets me very excited because it's one of my favorite oils. If you know about Christmas Spirit, you know how good it is. Like, it is just the happiest, jolliest, perfect scent for the holidays. And you can use it any time of year because it just smells so dang good. But so excited to have the big bottle. Okay, another favorite that I got for free, which I'm super excited about, is Sacred Frankincense. I love this oil. This is another one that I'm gonna be bringing along with me for labor. It is so grounding. It's one of the best oils for meditation. And if you have frankincense already, like the original, I guess, it's just two different like trees, which is why there's Sacred Frankincense and frankincense, but they do really smell different. This one has like a much sweeter smell. It smells a lot like frankincense, but like a sweeter version, and it's so calming. It just like immediately like calms you and centers you. It's just a really lovely oil. And this is also apparently like the closest to the frankincense that was given to baby Jesus, which I'm assuming is probably why it is in this like kind of holiday promo month. And speaking of baby Jesus, we also got a Myrrh Oil for free this month, which, you guys, this smells so good. It really, really, it smells good. Kind of reminds me of frankincense, but it's different. But anyway, so myrrh is like a really powerful healing oil. It's also very expensive, so the fact that we got this for free this month is amazing. This has kind of been like on my list for a while that I wanted to get, but I just like haven't purchased it myself yet. But I am so excited that we got this for free, because this is an amazing oil. And then also we got this adorable little Christmas ornament. My fingerprints are like all over it, but it is a little glass ornament and it has like little flowers on it. And the cool thing about it is it comes with these little reeds. So this can actually be a diffuser on your tree. So it has like a little compartment in here where you can stick the reeds, so you can drop your oils down into the ornament and you can put it on your tree. So, I mean, Christmas spirit would be amazing in here, but especially if you have like an artificial tree, you could put some pine or some Northern Lights black spruce, or if you were lucky enough to snag some Idaho balsam fir before it went out of stock, which smells just like a Christmas tree, you could put that in here and it would be amazing. Okay, and then this oil, you guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. So this one is called Higher Unity and it is an exclusive blend. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's like minty but floral at the same time, like the floral that you get that's in White Angelica, but it's different. It's not similar to White Angelica because it's like minty. It's really hard to explain, but it is so good. But anyway, so this is called Higher Unity and it is a blend that Young Living just came out with, but the only way that you can get it is through ER. Like, they don't sell it. So I was like, I have got to get that oil. I have got to try it, and I am so excited that I did get it, because it is like, oh, it's amazing. And also just good to diffuse this time of year, especially with family, you know, all getting together, which, you know, is an amazing thing. But sometimes, you know, there's different opinions and people can get a little crazy, you know, at Thanksgiving and stuff like that. So this is just kind of like a really good blend that you could diffuse if you're having company, just to keep the happy, uplifting, positive vibes flowing. It's definitely like a very uplifting oil, and it smells so good. Okay guys, so that is it for my Essential Rewards order for the month. I got some good stuff this month and I am very excited. But yeah, so if you guys, you know, want to be a Young Living member and be able to have your own Essential Rewards order and get into oils and their products and supplements or whatever it is, I can help you get started. I have a link down below. You can grab your starter kit, which is seriously like the best thing ever. It was literally like one of the best decisions I've ever made, because it was just like created such a domino effect in my life, and I'm just obsessed with Young Living, if you guys can already tell. But yeah, so I would love to help you get started, get you into our Facebook group so you know how to use everything and you can be educated on everything, and I would absolutely love to have you. But make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram. You can also follow me on, I have a whole separate Instagram dedicated to oils and Young Living and wellness, and that is Clove and Arrow Essentials on Instagram. So I would love for you to follow on either one of those. Come hang out and we can be friends on there. But that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.